Okay, what I'm doing here is showing how I can change the position of this slider resistor. And when I do that and press the button, it will show a resistor position between 0 and 100. And it will also light up an LED based on the position of the resistor on this array, and it'll also send a radio signal from this microbit to this microbit, which is connected to two servos by way of the boom super bit. So you makers who want to add some electronics to your programming, to whatever you're making, you've got a way now of sending radio signals from one microbit to another. For this system in Jacdac, we need to have a microbit that has, it's a version 2 microbit. But for this end, receiving the radio, it can be a version 1 microbit. It does not need to be version 2. The superbit can accommodate 8 servo motors. We've got 2 of them connected. They're positional motors. When I press the button, it sends a signal from this one to this one and changes the position of this motor and changes the horn on this motor. So you can see how you can use radio to broadcast from one microbit to the other and use your buttons to activate the radio signal. There will be more about this. Oh, before I forget, the code is going to be in the description of this video. This is the code for the Jacdac system with the modules pressing the button, and this is the code that goes into this microbit. It just says when you receive a signal, have to have the radio set groups match. I always put in radio transmit power. Then when you receive a number 1, position the servos this way. If you receive a number 2, position the servos this way. The previous program sends number 1 or number 2 depending on the position of the potentiometer, that slider resistor position. There will be more.